You can melt away your visceral fat, the most dangerous fat on the body of them all, in just 30 days. That sounds crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, visceral fat, the fat around your organs, is so stubborn. Many people have a lot of difficulties burning it, but I am going to show you today a scientifically proven strategy so effective that it's borderline controversial. Doctors will not tell you about that, but scientific literature will. We will deep dive into it, and this one trick I will mention in the very end is so crucial that if you skip it, all other efforts will fail. So make sure you're watching until the very end. I want to give you easy to follow yet extremely powerful tips. Number one, and that is maybe not so surprising, but hear me out, guys. Every single one of them is important to get the symbiotic benefits. Number one is intermittent fasting. Kick off by giving your body a daily break from eating. And intermittent fasting, for example, fasting for 16 hours and just eating within an 8-hour window, or even better, fasting within an 18-hour window and eating with a 6-hour window, and even better than that, 20-hour window fasting, 4-hour window eating. But you choose how it works. You can start 18-6 and then work yourself up. Actually forces your body to burn stored fat for fuel. It's not just hype. Studies show it works. In a 3 months randomized controlled trial, time-restricting eating windows of 8 hours or more, or 8 hours or less in that case, significantly shrank the visceral fat, proven by the numbers. Whereas the standard diet without time restriction, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and so on, barely made a dent. The secret is that intermittent fasting keeps your insulin low for long periods, flipping your metabolic switch to fat-burning mode, especially burning of internal belly fat, the fat you all want to lose, right? Plus, it's simple to implement, no fancy meal plans are needed. Now, let's get into the more sophisticated stuff, things maybe you didn't think about. Most people think about strength training, and whereas it's great for the muscle, and I love it myself, and don't stop with it, hear me out, more important to burn the visceral fat is high-intensity interval training. When it comes to exercise, go hard or go home straight away. High-intensity interval training, short bursts of all-out effort with brief rest, is visceral fat killer number one when it comes to exercise. And you save time. This is like a 10-minute, 20-minute thing. It's easy. It's not concussive for the joints. It's not high stress for you. It doesn't increase cortisol thereafter. One study actually found 12 weeks of training cuts visceral fat by 12% with no weight loss on the scale. Ladies and gentlemen, that is perfect for body composition. And a meta-analysis of clinical trials actually found you likely need high intensity to burn visceral fat. Moderate exercise, which of course it's a little bit more pleasant in the moment, mostly hits the subcutaneous fat, right? The one you can pinch on the body, which is great, but you want to focus on visceral fat. That's the most important to reduce, right? Because that high intensity interval training reduces your belly fat. So add high intensity interval training workouts 2 to 3 times a week. For example, 30-second sprints on the highest possible intensity, followed by walking. That is an example. You can also do the assault bike, 30 seconds, 1 minute rest. There's also other protocols of 4-minute very high intensity where you reach all out in the end, and then 4-minute rest with very low intensity, and then 4 minutes again for 4 rounds, for example. There's many different protocols you can follow. See what works for you. High intensity is the most important. This strategy burns a ton of calories in little time and sends fat burning hormones through the roof. So now number 3. Number 3 is adopt a visceral fat blasting diet. And here you might be surprised about that. Diet is arguably the biggest factor, right? But don't think you must avoid meat or fat. Actually, the best belly fat cutting diets include healthy fats, healthy proteins, while cutting refined carbohydrates. And I'm not talking about the beautiful honey, maybe you can enjoy that. I'm talking about really refined carbohydrates, highly processed food, which is designed for you to crave more, to eat more. But a fatty steak can help you to burn visceral fat as long as you're not going into a calorie deficit, because it is very nutrient dense. It's healthy for you, healthy for your metabolism, and of course it provides you with many essential nutrients, just like the egg does, without you actually craving for more. So it's not just about macros, it's also about micros. For example, in one randomized controlled trial, while a very low calorie ketogenic diet, which is high fat, low carb, moderate protein, led to an average loss of 32 square centimeters of visceral fat in 2 months versus only 13 square centimeters, which is like a third almost, with a standard low calorie diet. So it's not just low calories, ladies and gentlemen. It's also the composition of these calories, right? Eat just only Oreos, well, see what happens to your visceral fat. I love animal fats like pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught fish, pasture-raised, grass-fed, grass-finished meat. That is beautiful. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. By the way, I have a video about how to select the correct olive oil. It's popping up on top of the screen right now. That's more important than many other things actually when you want to focus on your diet. You don't have to go on full keto, no, but you should emphasize whole unprocessed foods and ditch the sugar. Mediterranean style diets rich in vegetables, wild-caught fish, olive oil, pasture-raised, grass-fed, grass-finished red meat similarly help reduce the belly fat by keeping insulin steady. The key takeaway is cut out sugary drinks, desserts, white carbohydrates. Those send calories straight into the belly fat. That is for sure. I actually made a video about the specific diet to reduce belly fat. It is popping up on top of the screen right now. The easiest diet to reduce belly fat. Make sure you watch it. It's popping up on top of the screen right now. This style of eating actually naturally curbs your calorie intake and forces your body into burning that internal fat. Now number 4, before we get to number 5, the most powerful, my most favorite one of them all, I want to tell you number 4, which is manage your stress. Lowering cortisol is extremely important to burn your belly fat. You know this name stress belly? Well, it's a real thing. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that tells you to hoard fat in your abdomen. So managing stress is a key to shrinking that visceral fat. In one study, women who lowered their stress the most saw the biggest drop in their deep belly fat. Less stress means less cortisol, means less fat storage on your body. Make time to unwind, to relax, whether through meditation, deep breathing, yoga, any relaxing hobby, to keep your cortisol in check. Stay calm and signal to your body that it's safe to release that extra fat instead of storing it. Guys, relax is the bottom line. Try to reduce stress at all costs, outside of your workouts, of course. And now, drum roll. Let's get into number 5, the most powerful of them all. Prioritize your sleep. That is the secret weapon to reducing your belly fat down to 30 days, potentially 0, and potentially the secret weapon to wipe out your visceral fat is sleep. Yes, hear me out, guys. This is the easy but very critical step. If you're eating well and exercising well, but only getting 5 hours of sleep, you are sabotaging yourself and you will keep that belly fat, that is for sure. Lack of sleep wrecks your hunger hormones and drives visceral fat gain through the roof. In a 2022 randomized controlled trial, people limited to 4 hours of sleep per night ate about 300 extra calories a day and gained visceral fat in just 2 weeks. Just because they slept less, they ate more. So make sleep a non-negotiable. Consistently getting a solid 7 to 8 hours keeps appetite in check and optimizes your fat burning hormones. Aim for 7 to 8 hours in dark, cool room and cut off screens before bed. In fact, I made a video how to optimize your sleep. It's actually popping up on top of the screen right now. It's the simplest step, but it can make you actually lose all of these results if you follow only the 4 first ones and not the last one. Let me know the favorite one for you in the comment section down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and you're watching that very important video right now. And as always, guys, as always, bye.